Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm glad you stopped by. Today we're making smothered pork chops in the Instant Pot. So I have 4 pork chops here. You can use up to 6 though. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to mix together my golden mushroom soup, my packet of Lipton onion soup, and some broth. I find it easier to mix these before I put the pork chops in because it's kind of clumpy if you don't mix it up ahead of time, and then the pork chops themselves get in the way. And sometimes when I make this I do use beef broth, or sometimes I'll use like a packet of brown gravy and just some extra water. But today I am using chicken broth, and I have used it before and it tastes just as good as the beef broth mixed in with this. Mix it together really well, get the clumps out. So the seasonings are just going to be to taste. I'm going to use some salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. And just place them in there. So basically I'm just sprinkling these with the seasonings. With this salt, I know it probably looks like I'm doing a lot, but I've got it turned upside down and I'm just using it like a shaker. Now I've got a half of an onion. I've got them sliced julienne style. It's made about a cup. Sometimes when I make this, I put the potatoes and carrots and onions and whatnot in with it. Sometimes I put them down in with the meat. Sometimes I put them in like a steamer basket and put them on top. You guys can kind of get a little creative with this because this tastes so good. You can't hardly mess it up as long as you've got the golden mushroom gravy and the French onion soup and the broth. It makes it taste really good. Okay, guys. Make sure the vent is in closed position. And I'm going to set this for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna let it natural release for 10 minutes. This has naturally released, and I'm going to see if there's anything left, and there's not. That smells so good. Okay. Got something and